Hello students, hope everything is going well with you. So let's start our today's lesson. Today we are doing block 3 and lesson plan 3 is here using prepositional phrases. So let's take an example here. His shoes on a pile of broken dishes, the bed in an upstairs room. So the words on and in tell us where the shoes and the bed are. Words that tell us the position of the objects is the called are prepositions. So सेंटेंस में जो भी वर्ड्स किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन बताते हैं सो उन वर्ड्स को हम preposition कहते हैं. लाइक टीचर इज इन द क्लास, सो इन इज preposition. Book is on the table, so on is preposition. There are so many prepositions like in, on, at, by, before, after. So many prepositions are there. So now let's have a look at this table. Object shoe on a pile of dishes. Where is it found? Shoe kahan tha? On a pile of dishes. Bible. Where was Bible? On the floor. Stones. Where were stones? In the field. So toys in the yard. So today we will learn how to use phrases with prepositions and how they affect our writing. So आज हम सीखने वाले हैं कि preposition के साथ phrases को कैसे use करें. जैसे मैंने बताया there is teacher in the class. So in is preposition. The class phrase हो गया. So how can we use both preposition and phrases together? That's what we are going to learn today. So in the cellar, in the window frames, in the yard, these words are called prepositional phrases. These are phrases with prepositions like in, on, under. They tell us where certain objects like the Bible, the jars, stones and toys are in the abandoned house. So जो चीज़ें हमें बता रही हैं कि जो बाइबल है वो कहाँ रखी हुई है abandoned farm house में, jars कहाँ पे रखे हुए हैं, stones कहाँ रखे हुए हैं. So types of prepositional phrases. Number 1, tell about the subject, which. Number 2, tell about the action, where, how, and when. So prepositional phrases begin with a preposition and end with a place or time. सो जो prepositional phrase होती हैं वो preposition से start होती हैं लाइक in, on, at से start होंगी और place और time के साथ end होंगी. लाइक a bird flew in the clear blue sky. So in is preposition. The clear blue sky place के बारे में बता रहा है तो ये पूरा in the clear blue sky prepositional phrase हो गया. The phrase in the clear blue sky begins with the preposition in and ends with the object like the sky. So it's answer the question where did the bird fly. Prepositional phrases are used in two ways. Number 1, as an adjective. They tell us about the subject and answer the question which. For example, the book on the top shelf is dusty. कि जो top shelf पे जो book रखी हुई है वो dusty है, उस पे धूल है. So here the phrase on the top shelf tells us which book is talked about. सो ऑन द टॉप शेल्फ जो फ्रेज है इससे हमें पता चल रहा है कि कौन सी बुक के बारे में बात हो रही है कि जो टॉप शेल्फ के ऊपर जो बुक रखी हुई है वो डस्टी है. सो इज एडवर्ब दे टेल अस अबाउट द एक्शन और वर्ब इन अ सेंटेंस एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन हाउ, व्हेन एंड वेयर. फॉर एग्जांपल, जय आस्क्ड मीना फॉर अ पेंसिल बॉक्स बिफोर द एग्जाम स्टार्टेड. सो द फ्रेज बिफोर द एग्जाम स्टार्टेड टेल्स अस व्हेन द एक्शन आस्किंग फॉर अ पेंसिल हैपेंड. सो इससे पता चल रहा है कि पेंसिल के लिए पेंसिल लेने का जो एक्शन है वो कब हुआ, एग्जाम शुरू होने से पहले, बिफोर द एग्जाम स्टार्टेड. सो दिस इज एज एन एडवर्ब बिकॉज इट इज टेलिंग अबाउट द टाइम. दे प्लेड. हाउ कैन वी एक्सपेंड दिस सेंटेंस यूजिंग prepositional phrase? Why do we use prepositional phrases in our writing? So we can expand using prepositional phrase to add detailed about where they played. हम बता सकते हैं कि कहाँ खेले वो लोग. For example, they played in the garden. So in the garden prepositional phrase हो गया. We use prepositional phrase to add more details to about the subject. हम subjects के बारे में ज़्यादा detail add करते हैं. They give clarity about what is happening or where it is happening. They add more meaning to a sentence. For example, in the first stanza of the poem, without these words we would not know the Bible was lying on the floor. हमें पता ही नहीं चलता कि बाइबल कहाँ रखी हुई थी, on the floor. So below the window, or the shoes were lying on a pile of broken dishes besides the house. So we would not get the scene sense that the things in the house are not in order. So हमें जो ये बताया है कि थिंग्स जो है प्रॉपरली अरेंज नहीं थी, तो हमें कुछ भी सेंस पता नहीं चल पाती अगर prepositional phrases नहीं होती. Now let's have a look at S3. At page number 19, so S3 is here using prepositional phrases. Question number 1, underline the prepositional phrases in the sentences. So आपको underline करनी है prepositional phrases. The car swerved off the track and crashed into the barrier. So off preposition and off the track क्या हुआ? Prepositional phrase. Into preposition है, into the barrier prepositional phrase हो गया आपका. Now in question second, the boys played on the street outside the house. So on the street outside the house prepositional phrase है. Upon a bridge and at the river prepositional phrase. Before we reached prepositional phrase. Around his desk, into his files prepositional phrase. So now question 2, use the given phrases in sentences of your own. On the top of the building, up the stairs, across the street, after the show, between the two. So building के ऊपर, stairs के ऊपर, street के पार, show के बाद, between the two. So आपको क्या करना है, इनका यूज़ करके sentences बनाने हैं. I'm giving you an example. The monkey sat on the top of the building. She ran up the stairs to meet the lady. Seema has to just walk across the street to buy vegetables. We went out for dinner after the show. Rini sat crossly between the two boys. Question 3. Explain the given sentences by using appropriate prepositional phrase. For example, a dog barked at the beggar who was loitering outside the house. So we camped this summer. So sentence is, we traveled to the hills and camped for a week this summer. कि हम हिल्स पे गए और हमने वहाँ कैंपिंग की इन गर्मियों में. Rini painted seeds. So Rini planted seeds of seasonal flowers in her garden after she had cleared it of all the weeds. Hari and Chandu played. So Hari and Chandu played in the field outside the house. So students, I hope you can understand prepositional phrases very well and you can do S3. So have a nice day. Thank you so much.